Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to use ChatGPT inside Excel. You can try this by using the free plan of ChatGPT. For uninterrupted use, you have to upgrade the plan. First, let me show you how to add ChatGPT in Excel. Click on Home tab, then click on Add-ins. In the search bar, search for ChatGPT. This is the ChatGPT add-in. Click on the Add button. You can see ChatGPT has been added. Click to open. For the first time, you have to connect your ChatGPT account by simply providing the login details. After that, you will see this chat section. Now you can use ChatGPT for automating your Excel work. Just give the instructions and ChatGPT will do the job for you. Here you can set up the response system, either fast, standard, or heavy. Fast gives the quick responses for simple tasks and edits. Standard gives the balance of speed and reasoning. And heavy is more reasoning for complex analysis, which may take longer time. Let me select the fast option for now. Next, let's see some examples of how we can automate things. I want to create a dummy data of employees. I can simply write the prompt or instructions here. Please make a dummy data of 10 employees, their designation and salary details like basic salary, daily allowance, etc. After writing the prompt, press Enter or click on this Send button. It takes few seconds to minutes depending upon the data size you wanted to create or the task size you have given. Here you see, within 20 seconds, ChatGPT created this sample data right inside the Excel sheet. Isn't it amazing? Let's give few more tasks to ChatGPT. Calculate average salary of employees in the row number 15. Here you have the output. ChatGPT calculated average salary by using the average function. Same way, you can do different tasks in the spreadsheet by simply chatting with ChatGPT. Add a column to show employee joining date in the organization. Put random dates. Here you see, the joining date column is added. These were the basic examples of how we can automate tasks in Excel by using ChatGPT. You can use this in your real work environment for data analysis, use formulas, create charts and dashboards, find and fix errors, clean the data, generate reporting formats, and many more. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.